Hello and welcome to Simple-ESL, a simple way to learn English. And in today's lesson, we're going to be using present simple tense with the verb to be and adjectives to describe people. So we're going to work on using useful adjectives to describe tall people, short people, anything you think of, pretty people, ugly people. And if you would like more practice with this, why not scan the QR code? That will take you to our Patreon where there are more lessons and worksheets available to purchase. As said, this lesson is aimed at an A2 level, so that's an elementary level. And if you'd like more practice with this or more information, do scan the QR code to take you to our Patreon, where we'll be able to give you more help. But let's start the lesson. Now, today's lesson objective, we're learning to form yes-no questions with the verb to be and to give short answers. We'll also practice using contractions. So for example, I'm, you're, we're, and we're going to use adjectives to describe a person's appearance or personality. When we're talking about contractions, contractions are a natural way to shorten a sentence, make it more punchy, and we're going to use this, as I say, talking about people's appearance or personality. We have done grammar lessons in the past explaining the structure, I'll point the correct way, of the verb to be in the present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to describe general truths, states, or characteristics, things that are always true. So we have I am happy. He, she, it is happy. You, we, they are happy. If you would like to touch on this or look back at some of this grammar information, we'll attach the video to the grammar lesson. This one is available for free. Let's go through the structure of present simple be with yes, no questions. We have some examples here. Are you a teacher? Is she happy? Are we friends? How can we create questions and answers to these? The answers, yes, I am. Are you a teacher? It's a yes, no question. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Why is this different? We have I am, I'm not. This is an example of a contraction. And we're going to use this with our negative answers. I'd like us to practice using contractions with our negative answers. What we do to contract, we get rid of the first letter, we add in an apostrophe, and you end up with I'm. This is a way to shorten the sentence. Native speakers love to shorten the sentence. Yes, I am, and then no, I'm not. We can't use yes, I'm. That's wrong. We need to use I'm not. We need to have an additional thing there. Now this changes with she, he, it. So we have she is. We don't contract she. We contract the verb to be. We contract is. So how do we do this? Instead, we remove the O and add in the apostrophe. She isn't. This is the negative for she is, she isn't. And this would be the same for he and it. It isn't, he isn't. Let's have a look at we and they. Are we friends? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. We could say are not. Is not the same as the last one, are not. But we're going to use the contraction aren't. So we contract the verb to be, which is are. We add in the apostrophe and remove the O. No, we aren't. Let's take a look at this with some more examples. Oh, first I should show you adjectives. Now, an adjective is a way to describe a thing, describe a person, describe a thing. So let's try to match these appearance, looks based adjectives. We're looking for tall. Which one would be tall? Tall. He is tall. How about short? Short. It is short. Little. It's short. How about pretty? Pretty. We might use pretty to describe a woman, a young girl, a lady. She is pretty. And we have handsome. Handsome is usually used for men, for male people. So handsome. He is handsome. We also have some personality. So this is attitude, behaviors. So someone could be funny. What would be funny? Funny. Well, this is fun. So it is funny. It's a fun thing to do. What about kind? Someone who's lovely, loving, and kind. He is kind. What about smart? Very good. Good at maths. Good at school. Smart. He is smart. What about shy? What about shy? She is shy. Now we know some adjectives and we know the basic structure. I would like us to form questions. So what would be the question to this statement? You are tall. How would we form the question? Are you tall? We swap the verb to be with the subject to make the question. You are tall. Are you tall? Let's try another one. She is smart. We can swap these again. So what would be the question? It would be she is smart becomes is she smart? Is she smart? We are funny. Hey, how would we make the question? We are funny. Are we funny? Let's try working on this. I would like you to give me positive and negative answers. Are you from Spain? What would you say? Are you from Spain? Yes, I am. But I'm from England. I'm not from Spain. I would say, no, I'm not. Is he a good student? Is he a good student? He looks very smart. He is smart. Yes, he is. He is a good student. Let's try one more example. Are they large? Are they tall? Are they large? Are they big? No, they're small. They're small. So the answer would be, using yes, no answers, no, they aren't. With the contraction, no, they are not becomes no, they aren't. I'd like to do a little bit of a gap fill here. So with adjectives, find the correct adjective to go in the gap. She is very funny, kind, or tall. She is very tall. She's very tall. They are they funny? Are they kind? They're helping people. They're volunteers. They would be kind. They are kind people. Let's try one more. He looks silly, very silly. We would say he is funny. He is funny. Now, we can use be to form yes/no questions and give short answers. You've also learned how to use adjectives to describe people's appearance and personality. If you'd like more practice with this, why not scan the QR code and take a look at our worksheet on our Patreon. We also have lots of other lessons available on there.